Hi everyone, Alejandro here with Autel Robotics. In this video, we will cover the intelligent flight mode, Viewpoint. Welcome to the flight deck. Viewpoint is a fun and easy way to fly your Evo by simply tapping on the camera view in the Autel Explorer app. This feature shows off the advanced computer vision systems and can offer some creative solutions to capture that epic shot. To begin, prepare your aircraft for flight and takeoff. Now enter the intelligent flight mode, Viewpoint. You will be prompted with on-screen instructions with how this feature works. Now that we've entered Viewpoint, we can see a new window appear on the right. Here we can start to adjust settings from the wrench icon. I would recommend having obstacle avoidance on when using this feature. On our camera view, two lines have appeared. The dotted red line along the bottom of the screen indicates the safety zone, and the aircraft will not descend below this line. The horizontal line in the middle of the screen will determine how your Evo will respond to your taps. If you tap below the line, Evo will descend while moving towards the selected destination. If you tap above this line, Evo will ascend and fly towards the selected destination. With obstacle avoidance turned on, Evo will detect and move around any objects in its way. Evo will continue to fly in this direction until you command it to stop or if you reach your max altitude. To turn Evo, tap on the left or right of the screen and Evo will make an adjustment. Continue this until Evo is facing the desired direction. You can adjust the speed during Viewpoint flights with the slider on the screen. The speed will vary based on how many satellites you are connected to, with a max speed of 22 miles an hour. Remember, obstacle avoidance is not intended to replace the pilot. As the pilot in command, you are solely responsible for the safety of yourself and others around the flight. Always be cautious when using these intelligent flight modes and be aware of your surroundings. Thanks for watching, and so long from the flight deck.